Hey guys, EG Scary here, and today we're going to make our own fog fluid. What I found is I can make, for under $40, 4 gallons, and so you can get your distilled water from any place that sells distilled water. It's usually between 89 cents a gallon to, I've seen like $1.89 a gallon, but so I figure $2 a gallon, and then this vegetable glycerin, which you can get from Amazon. This one is rare, raw and rare. It's what I've been using. It seems to work good for me, but you can use whatever brand you want. I'm not specific to any particular brand. So what we have there is 3 gallons of distilled water, 1 gallon of the vegetable glycerin, and then we have a food safe bucket. This way, yeah, that's much better. So it's food grade, and you can get this at any hardware store or whatever, and it doesn't have any crap like some of the other ones have crap in it. Alright guys, step 1, 2 gallons of water, distilled water, save the bottles. You're going to refill it with the fluid once you make it. One gallon of the vegetable glycerin. It's got a metal tab on it. I just push it through, and you're gonna see it's really thick. And it's food grade. And I'm just helping squeeze it out. Now I take my 3rd bottle and I kind of put it in vigorously so it helps mix everything. So now we got 4 gallons in here. And so now you can take a paint stirrer from anywhere and you want to stir it. So it's stirred, and with the lid on it, you're going to shake it. So then I take all the 3 gallons, and then I'm also going to use the gallon up here and pour all the liquid from the bucket into here, and we have fog fluid. So let's do it. Alright, so this is a simple Chavette, whatever brand you want to call it. Inside the machine right now is fog fluid from last season. It's a commercially available brand. I don't know which one. And it's a fairly windy day. So, kind of gives you an idea. Alright, so that is the commercially available one. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take ours, and just so you guys can tell that this experiment's on the up and up. Here it is. Okay, guys. So now it should be through the commercial stuff, and now it's using ours that we just made. So I have it set on continuous, and the machine just does what it does to keep it going, but you can see there's really no difference in the thickness or the duration in the wind. In fact, I kind of feel like this seems to hang a little longer. So you can see on the measuring cup it is using the fluid from that we just made. Looks pretty good. Now I'm going to just switch it over. So this is the commercially available one. Can you tell a difference? I can't tell a difference. So the one thing I noticed is that the commercial one, which is this, it really blows away right away. The stuff we made is actually kind of thicker. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. EG Scary out.